What happens though, Mr. Hiranandani, to those who put their life savings into buying a house or buying a home? If all projects are going to get delayed, what do you see happening to them? What happens to EMIs? Will EMIs get restructured? How do you see this playing out in the next 12 months?
I see we are looking at three-pronged attack to this situation. The first is that you must be aware that there was a Swami fund which was created of 25,000 crores for the purposes of projects which were already stuck. For example, the number of projects which were stuck in the Noida region, we were focusing on that in order to see that those projects and other projects in all over the country would be started. And we thought that 25,000 crores of rupees for last mile funding would be a good way to start this exercise. My gut feel now, and we haven't done any calculation, that the amount required will be beyond 1 lakh crores in order to see that the rest of the projects which are now stuck would require additional last mile funding. And we are approaching various banks and financial institutions to also participate in this funding. HDFC appears to be okay to start it, but of course they would for signals from the finance ministry because they are the ones who started the first fund. So that's the first issue. The second issue is the lack of liquidity in the environment. The banks are not lending to anybody, not real estate, not business, not SMEs, nobody. They have 7.5 lakh crores of banks aligned
And your third
with the
challenge?
Sorry? 7.5 lakh crores of rupees are lying in the Reserve Bank in reverse repo with the Reserve Bank instead of being given to the economy, to the industry, to the business. So what we are asking for is to see that some credit guarantee is given for additional funding required for real estate lending, not only to real estate, but the entire industry and the marketplace. This is our second proposition. So liquidity, number two, to see that stress fund is for the real estate portion. And the third, which we do believe, is that the overall stimulus package, which is somehow not coming out, needs to come out quickly in order to have a demand creation in the market. In ASSOCHAM, we had suggested 14 lakh crores. CII has suggested 16 lakh crores. NITI Aayog, I believe, has suggested 10 lakh crores. But the funding which has up till now come is only 70,000 crores. So I think a stimulus package is required immediately in order to do it.
Right.
So if a combination of these three things are done,
Mr. Hiranandani, I think you've set you've given us a broad framework of what you want, or what industry wants. And I appreciate your joining us and giving us that sense, because clearly you are a sector which at the moment is hurting as a result of the pandemic. Thank you very much for joining me and giving us your perspective. Now remember,